Alright, red lights, ladies and gentlemen. The moment they go green, it will be full gas, full acceleration.
Yes, the moment we're waiting for.
Yes, we've been waiting for 6 months for this. Let's wait for it. The starters orders, waiting for the green. They need them to 2 by 2, side by side. And it's green! There you go. A drag race. The Toyotas are fanning out, Farid. Look at that.
And then the EK now is also side by side together with
It seems
Michael.
I think
Alamak,
Michael's dropped back. And BP Chu has taken the lead. And look, another Honda is coming through.
Yes.
And Kenny Lee from I don't know where is now up to P2.
Yes.
232 tu is Kenny Lee of Kegani Racing. He is pressuring BP Chu, Achanta. Oh, the two Toyota 86 at the back there. They've dropped behind. Anyway, in the lead it is BP Chu, followed by Kegani. And Asrul Azam Ali also leading his rival panas tu. Rival ketat tu. Okay, and I see a white 86 diving in, taking a position. Yes, Syed Adam has moved up. He is now behind Muslim Street 1600 out the race, and it's only lap 1. Oh, Michael Toda attacking Asrul Azam Ali into turn 14, diving in. But does he go wide? Asrul Azam Ali fights back, exiting turn 14. In the lead overall, it is BP Chu, followed by Kenny Lee and Michael Toda. Todak apa was that word? Todak mengganas, Farid.
Todak mengganas. Itu dia, Todak sedang mengganas untuk mengejar kereta-kereta di hadapan dan berjaya memotong Asrul Ali dengan begitu jayanya. Sayangnya, kenapa kita punya poleman jauh?
Poleman nombor 10 tu.
Jauh dah ni. Mungkin kita ada kerosakan pada kereta beliau. Kita tahu kan?
Yes, no, he had a bad start. Anyway, in the lead, landing lap 1, we have. So lap 1 took 3 minutes, Farid. We have 40-minute race. It's now BP Chu leading Kenny Lee from Hafiz Kamuddin, aka Michael Hafiz, who is defending from Asrul Azam Ali, P1, 2, 3, 4. That is your leaders. Just behind them is the battle for the Street 2 liter, Rizal Hassan and Syed Adam. We're looking now. Asrul Azam Ali, he lost that position at turn 14, dia nak fight back ni.
Ya, betul.
Kalau kita kenal Dol, dia takkan give up.
Ya, kebanyakannya memang racer macam itulah. Kalau give up memang tak boleh jadi racer lah kan.
Yeah.
So kita tahu Asrul Ali ni memang terkenal dengan fighting spirit dia.
Yes.
So saya sure yang dia akan cuba fight sehabis baik.
Even the girls are excited on screen.
I thought Cyber Turismo je ada.
Real racing. Yes, Asrul Azam Ali. Look at that. He is shadowing Michael Todak.
Oh, beliau merupakan experience pelumba. So tak ada masalah untuk melakukan
into the lead, into turn 11, Farid. Macam mana ni? You pernah race Honda?
Oh, melompat-lompat.
Lompat-lompat. Dia memang macam tu Honda?
Tak ada juga. Rasanya suspension setup dia lain lah. I mean, different driver need to have different
setup.
So, mungkin dia selesa dengan kereta lompat-lompat.
And looking at that lap time, Farid, they are very close. 42.8 versus 43.5. So, and the best part, I'm still amazed. Kereta Michael ni dengan Toyota ni, dengan Toyota Honda belakang tu 1.5, tapi dia orang jalan sekali.
Ya, betul.
Anyway, race leaders have passed. It's Asrul Azam Ali. Farid, orang panggil you Wak Tempe. Asrul Azam, kita panggil dia Wak Roll. Tengok tu, Wak Roll. Diving into turn 1? Tidak.
Kita mengharapkan Wak Roll tak pakai kain pelekat pasal dia selalu pakai kain pelekat.
Yes. Kita tak nak tahu kenapa dia pakai kain pelekat, tapi dia suka pakai kain pelekat. Yes, you're right. Well, dia punya answer dia kata comfortable.
Comfortable, ya.
Pakai racing suit ni panas.
Betul. Oh, tapi memang rapat lah. It's only 0.2 second between Asrul dengan Michael.
Yeah, I think Michael's taking a bit of a defensive line. Dia tak nak bagi Asrul too much chance to overtake. Result, I mean, I won't say result, but at the moment he is in a good position for the podium. Oh, macam Michael tengah pressure Kenny Lee.
Kalau kita tengok Elisa ni, dia boleh fight. Dia boleh break later than the Toyota. So, to me, di Daihatsu lah, bukan Elisa lah.
Daihatsu, yes.
Daihatsu has a very good advantage during breaking point.
Yeah.
Asrul dropping back.
Yeah, Asrul drop back a lot lah. Suddenly 1.5 seconds behind dah.
Betul.
Tadi he was right behind Michael Todak. Okay, now it seems like BP Chu has pulled slightly away from Kenny Lee, who's now defending from Michael Todak.
Yep. And yeah, I think Michael sekarang memang tengah fight untuk dapatkan P2 supaya Kenny Lee, dan dia akan cuba untuk memotong di akhir corner ni nanti.
Tapi Farid, I don't know lah, I mean sebab dia orang race different category. Adakah dia perlu for Michael to attack Kenny Lee?
As you as a race driver, you tak boleh nampak kita kat depan.
Okay, I agree.
Tak kira you different category or same category.
You macam mana pun nak overtake
As long as the car in front you need to overtake.
Okay, understand. Okay, race leader passing by, 298, BP2, Kenny Lee and Maichuta. And yes, Farid, look at Azrul Azam lap time. He has dropped far back.
Yeah.
His last lap was 241. No.
No, dia responder problem tu.
Hilang. There you go. 244, Farid.
Yeah.
His previous lap was a 239. They lost 5 seconds.
Yep.
Awal sangat ni untuk tire problem baru lap 3.
Tahu mungkin. So kita ada yang lain-lain juga ni.
Oh yes, don't forget, let's focus on the other drivers. We are still looking at the race leaders.
Tayar dia pun terkepak.
Terkepak, yeah. So we couldn't see the number. It was a yellow Proton. I believe those cars will be competing in a Street 1.6.
Adakah kita akan menyaksikan safety car nanti mungkin?
Adakah?
Ataupun tidak, pasal kita tengok kereta-kereta, ada beberapa kereta yang terbabas dah ya. So kita
I remember there was a Nissan that stopped.
Yep.
And then
There
you go. That was the case. Oh, there you go. That's turn 14, Farid.
13.
So it was a high-speed crash.
Yes.
Yeah, for those of you who know, I bawa Saga, ada kita panggil lap timer data. The Saga dekat turn 12 tu 135. So I guess this car are going faster.
Yes.
Saga tu 135.
Tapi jangan pandang rendah pada Saga.
Sebab Saga tak lepas minyak. Saga full throttle.
Nampak gaya dah start to spread out.
Yeah, spreading out, and it's only lap 3, coming up to lap 4.
Yes.
And BP2 is now starting to fall back into the hands of Kenny Lee. Hey, BP2 and Kenny Lee, the gap is only 0.699. Fastest lap 240.
Now Michael try to relax sikit. Saya rasa pasal apa, dia dah tak
Dia tahu yang Asrul dah drop back.
Asrul dah drop back, so it's a very clever move for him. Just back off a bit, but
conserve your car.
Conserve your car, so just to make sure everything is goes well. So Asrul pun dah jauh sangat ni. So to me also, kalau dah jauh macam ni, kita tak payah fight dengan kita depan pun. Kita just maintain our position and just to make sure that we need to finish in this current position lah.
Looking at Kenny Lee, coming down turn 5 and 6 with
Sekarang kita dah ada pit stop yang buat 335.
335 Nation Supercar.
Has the pit window open yet or no? From Michael punya kereta tadi
Pakai tear off ke?
Tak tahu lah, kalau take off formula je pakai kan.
Itu dia.
Tapi Farizal
Farizal now unchallenged in P1 for Street 2 liter.
by very consistent lap time with 2 minute 42.
241, 242
Yeah.
Still looking at Michael, mid-pack battle as Asrul Azam Ali just passing in front of us. He has dropped back behind Faiz Sulaiman.
Alamak.
Wow. Okay, Michael Todak 916 in P2 overall, first in class. Super 1500. His rival just passed in front of us, Asrul Azam Ali, who is nak sebut dia punya gap to Michael pun macam jauh sangat tu.
Lebih second.
Setengah minit Okay, race leader coming down, turn 7-8, going up to turn 9 for the last time. Behind them, I think, hang on, yes, it looks like Michael has slowed down.
Yes.
Michael has slowed down. I think he wants to protect BP2. Strategi ada ke? Boleh ke?
Tak tahu, kalau teammate mungkin lah.
Kawan?
Kawan, ya.
Yes, yes. It is a battle here for P2, but Michael is the, apa kita panggil sandwich
Sandwich.
Oh, they cover tu, they cover. Michael is covering for Hazrin, from Hazrin. He's protecting BP2. Yes, and Hazrin is desperate. He is attacking Michael.
Okay.
Trying to go on the inside turn 12. Tak boleh.
Hey.
Turn 12 tu.
Turn 12, okay. No.
Shaw. But high risk. Oh, and Michael goes back ahead of BP Chu. Oh. He's going to push BP Chu wide. And look,
Yes, yeah.
Hazen's alongside. It's a
Yeah.
drag race on the back straight. Whoa, Hazrin, drag strip.
Itu dia dekat di straight belakang kita lihat.
Race leader takes turn 15, but we have to wait for who's going to finish P2. Okay, race leader coming out turn 15 and takes the checkered flag. BP Chu, where's Hazrin? BP Chu masuk rumput.
Itu dia
Hazrin has
Hazrin.
taken P2. There you go.
Oh,
And the race win goes to Kenny Lee of Kagani Racing. A show of the face. But congratulations to the recovering Hazrin.
Our poleman.
Poleman who dropped to P10 and back up to P2 ahead of BP Chu. And yes, of course, congrats to Todak Motorsports, Michael Hafiz, P1 in Super 1500.
Yes.